Good morning. How are y'all doing? Well, it's almost afternoon. It's 11:30 here. Um, it's Tuesday. It's weigh-in day. Yeah, I didn't go that great this week, but I deserve it because I was pretty bad this weekend. Okay, last Tuesday I weighed in and I told y'all I weighed 226. Friday I had gotten down to 224.6. Today I weighed in at 225.4. So I gained almost a pound. I gained 0.8. But I totally deserve it. Because Saturday I had 1,901 calories. I try to stay, even on my cheat days, I want to stay below 2,000 calories because they always say stuff is based on 2,000 calories. And if you go over 2,000 calories, I feel like that's way overdoing it. So on my cheat days, I stay below 2,000 calories. That's what I'm trying to do for myself. Let me tell you how I got to the 1901. The things I ate that I really shouldn't have, or I should not have eaten all this stuff together on the same day. For lunch on Saturday, we went to Chick-fil-A. I wanted the chicken minis, which they would have been 555 calories if I ate those anyway. So I got the little 12-piece chicken nuggets. I probably should just got less, is what I should have done. I didn't eat all of them. I only ate, I think, 9 or 10 of them is what I ended up eating. But a 12-piece is 390 calories. I put 340 calories because I ended up giving like 4 little chunks to my husband. So I didn't eat all 12. The Polynesian sauce is 110 calories. I love the Polynesian sauce. It's kind of a sweet. But I didn't eat all of it. I didn't even eat half of it, really. I didn't. So my calories weren't bad there. Then for dinner we went to Taco Bell. We were on the go on Saturday, so a lot of times if we're off and we're on the go on Saturdays, we do fast food. And I know it's better to eat at home, and that's why on my cheat days that I ended up gaining weight because I'm not preparing my meals at home. Okay, I didn't do too bad at Taco Bell. I ate pretty healthy. I got the chicken soft taco supremes. Those are only 170 calories. So if you're like going fast food, it's good to find a healthier alternatives for stuff. And I should have looked at my Fitness Pal for my salad that I ate yesterday, and I should have told you so I could tell y'all that. But anyway, I'll try to do that in another video. Try to tell y'all a healthy something to pick. Because a lot of times when you're out on the go, it's like, oh, well, fast food, fast food. But it's good to not use that as an excuse to still get something fairly on the healthy side. Anyway, I had 2 chicken soft taco supremes, so it's 340 calories. For a meal, that's not really bad. If you can stay under 400 to 500 calories for a meal, then you're okay. You're not doing too bad. We went to Brewster's later, and I got the black cherry ice cream, and because I love the black cherry, they don't have it that much. I only got 1 scoop, and from what I could find online, I think it was 290 calories. And then the ice cream truck came. So I wanted to get something off the ice cream truck. I mean, I had already had ice cream. Why am I getting something off the ice cream truck? But I'm not usually here when the ice cream truck comes. So I gave in. Big Dipper Strawberry Burst is what I got. And it was 250 calories. There probably was something there that I could have had that would not have been as big. But I didn't want to stand there forever. And it didn't have calories. So I didn't know how many calories was in what. Anyway, that's my excuse for Saturday. And that's how I got to 1901. Sunday, I got to 1935. And I can tell you how I did that. We went hiking that day, and then we ended up in Clayton, Georgia at Pizza Hut. And I hadn't had pizza in a while, so I wanted pizza. I got the thin crust veggie, so that's a healthier alternative. For a large slice, it's 240 calories. So I should have only ate 2 and left it at that. But I knew we were going to be on the road, so I went ahead and ate 3 because I didn't want to be hungry. And then later on, when we got home, I had 5 slices of that left. I ate 1 slice and gave the other 4 to my parents. So anyway, I had 4 slices of the thin crust veggie pizza from Pizza Hut that day. Yeah. But on top of that, it was my mom's birthday. So we went to Krispy Kreme. And they had the blueberry glazed donuts. I love, if you want to know anything about me, I love blueberry, pretty much anything. I love blueberry. Didn't get the blueberry cake. I got the blueberry, it's just regular glazed donut, but it's a blueberry glaze. I got 2 of those, and then later on I had just a glazed donut. So I had 3 donuts. I want to say the blueberry glazed donut should be around 190 calories, if not maybe 200 calories. I couldn't really find that on FitnessPal. But anyway, that's pretty much how I got up to the 1935. Of course, other things, but that's the bad stuff I ate that got me to that. So, for me eating all that, I'm not really going to be too upset with myself for gaining 0.8 pounds for what all I ate. I deserved it. Okay, I wanted to talk about something I ordered, and I watched the video. If I order like a workout DVD, I always like to sit and just watch it all the way through first before just going in it and then start doing it, because that way I'm aware of what is in the DVD. I saw this on Facebook and I thought, I'll try it. I'm going to probably butcher her name, but I think it's Danette May. She says she's, on the video, she says she's 38 and has had 3 kids. I'm almost 38 and I've had 3 kids. This is a 7-minute flat belly fast workout. It's got beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and it also has a warm-up. The warm-up looked like it was going to really, really kick my butt. She does, in the warm-up, she does a lot of jumping jacks. Oh, I can't hardly do jumping jacks. Not as long as she was doing it. It was like a 5 or 7 minute warm-up, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's going to be what really kills me. But it gets you moving, and it gets your, what is it? Not necessarily your metabolism, your adrenaline, I think is what I'm trying to say. It gets your adrenaline going. She says always warm up before you work out. So anyway, I got that to try to hopefully help flatten my belly. I don't expect to have sexy abs. No, I'm not going to get that skinny. Anyway, I just want my belly to be kind of, you know, flat. You don't have to be able to see any abs. But then I also ordered her total body fat burning workouts, and they're 10-minute videos. So I thought those would be good to try also. One is chest and back, one is arms and shoulders, and one is legs and glutes. So I thought those would be good for me to try, but it's 10 minutes. And then there's a bonus video in here. It's 4-minute shred and flow workout. Anyway, I just thought I would try them. I like workout videos. I feel like I do better. When I don't even know what I did with it. It wasn't Buns of Steel or anything like that, but I had gotten a workout video back in 2008 when I had gotten really skinny. I had gotten a workout video and it used resistance bands. I had used that, and I was also doing the ab circle. But I can't. I got me an ab circle and I tried it, but my knees, I just can't do it. I fall off and I'm too shaky on it. But I really did. I got skinny fast on that using the ab circle. If you're a person who can use that ab circle, it really does work, and it's not as expensive as it used to be. So try that if you want to. I had gotten down, let's see, I had started my diet back in 2008. I'd started it in like a little past January. It wasn't quite February, but it was like mid-January when I started it. And I had lost, by May, I started out at a size probably 18 or 20. Now I've gotten down to a size 10. And I was eating a lot, kind of how I am now, but I was constantly walking because I was a customer service manager. And I walked the whole time. The whole job was not just standing there. It was constantly walking. So I was burning off calories that way. And I was only eating 1,500 calories. Then I would go home and I would do that ab circle, or I would do that resistant band training and stuff. And that really helped get a lot of pounds off of me. But I was 28 at the time. When you're in your 30s, the weight does not come off like it does in your 20s, unfortunately. But anyway, I thought I would try this and I'll let y'all know how it goes. I'm going to show y'all how to make my infused water. It's a mojito is what it is. So I will show y'all that next. Okay, I think I have y'all set up. So I've got my cup, and it's been chilled. I've had it in the refrigerator. I have the navel orange because it won't have the seeds in it, and I know limes are going to have seeds, but you know, this will at least reduce my having seeds. And then I have some mint. And this is not my recipe. This is something I Googled infused water, and this is what I saw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this orange in half. And I'm going to actually put the other half of the orange and the other half of the lime. I mean, not lemon, but you can use lemon, I guess. I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag, and then I'll use them another day. Because I don't need that much in 1 cup. Now, if you're going to make a whole pitcher at a time, you can do that. You can use a whole one. You probably, if you're going to make a big gallon, you probably want to use, I don't know, maybe 2 of each. Alright, I'm going to put the lime to the side for now. And I'm going to try to do slices and then slice it in half, because as big as a slice of an orange is, it's not going to fit down in there, so you really got to slice it in half. But I'm going to do a slice first, a round slice, and then slice that. And I am not the best at cutting fruit, just so y'all know. I'm going to do 2 orange slices, and all this juice that's collecting, and that's another reason why I like to use this saucer, is collecting the juice, and I can pour it down in here as I sling juice everywhere from the knife. These are really juicy oranges. And I bought these oranges and limes. Actually, I got them at Aldi. I had to go buy Anna Claire some baby food. So while I was there, I just thought I would grab them. And I know a steak knife is probably not the best thing to use to slice fruit. Okay, anyway. So I've got those 2. I'll put those in there. And actually, I think I'm going to only put 1 more in there. I don't want to put too much in there because I won't have room for my lime. So I'm going to put that to the side. And see, I've got all this juice left. And I'm just going to take it and put it in there. Alright. And then my limes, I just do wedges with my limes. There's 1. There's 2. And I'll go ahead. I think I'm gonna just do 3 of the limes, 2. I don't know, maybe I can do 4. I'm going to do 4 of those. And again, I just whatever juice is in there. Okay. Now, I have never worked with mint before, but the lady that made the video said do not tear the mint, to just twist it because you want to just bruise it. Let's see. I just want to get a couple of pieces. And she said you just want to, well, I just tore it. She said not to tear it, and I just tore that one. Let's see if I can not tear this one. I guess you could just hold it like this and then kind of twist it. She said just kind of twist it. So be gentle with it. I did not realize how delicate mint was. Okay. Then I'm going to put some ice in here. Let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to take y'all to the refrigerator or not. Okay, hold on. I know it's kind of far away. I'm working with what I got, y'all. Okay, I'm going to put some ice in here. Just going to put, I've got 4 in there, probably 6 pieces of ice. And then I'm going to fill it with water. Okay. And there you have it. And I will let this sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. It's best to let it sit for 3 to 4 hours to really get it infused. But I just probably let it sit in there for an hour or 2. Alright, so I just got the rest of the fruit in the bag. What I do, I don't do this every time I make a cup. I save this fruit, and when I'm at home, I put it in the refrigerator. In between, I'll just refill it instead of refrigerator, let it infuse some more. But while I'm at work, we actually have ice at work. So I just put ice in there and I go to the water fountain and refill it. So all this fruit lasts for me one day. I'm not, that would be a big waste if I did this every time I made a cup. But I fill this up between 5 and 6 times, and ends up being close to a gallon. You gotta take into account the amount of room that the fruit takes up. So I'm gonna say it's actually 2 cups. So I probably would actually need about 8 of these to be a gallon a day. It's probably what I need to drink. But just try it, and if you like, oh, it's kind of got too much of an orange flavor, I want more lime, put more lime in it. Or if you're like, oh, I don't want the mint, then take the mint out. Just play around with it. But this is just one of various flavors you can use. I am not a person who likes cucumber and water. I've tried cucumber. I think it was cucumber and watermelon or something one time I tried. I did not like it. Had a very gardeny taste. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't want to say it tasted like dirt, but I just did not like it. I did try blueberries, strawberries. There was something else I put. I can't remember what the other thing was. I think it was lime. Yeah, and for some reason, adding the blueberries, it made it taste like a tomato to me. But maybe if it didn't have the lime in there and it was just blueberries and strawberries or even raspberries, that'd be good. Just whatever kind of fruit you like, just go for it and try to infuse it and see if you like it. And especially if you're a person who has, see how it's already getting kind of infused down there. I don't know if y'all can see how it's not clear water anymore. It's to me it looks really orange. Anyway, if you're a person who struggles to drink water, this is a good way to help you to drink some water, and it looks really pretty too. And it's very interesting when you, especially if you go to work and people are like, oh, that looks really cool. So then you can tell them about the infused water. But anyway, that is my weight loss, lack of weight loss for the week. And this, I'm going to try to, I ordered me an exercise mat. I got the extra thick. I don't want to say I have a bad back, but when I have to get on the floor, I want to make sure I have enough cushion because my back will start to hurt. So anyway, I'll try this out, and when I try it out for a while, I'll let y'all know how I like it. But the exercises for the beginner, at least on the fat busting one, looked like something I would be able to do. Sometimes I get these videos and I'm like, yeah, I can't do that. But she shows you different ways that even if you're not there at the beginner level, she shows you different ways that what you can do. But anyway, that is my update for this week, and I will see y'all next video. Love y'all. Bye.